How to download Minecraft on iPhone. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can download Minecraft on iPhone. So if you want to download Minecraft on iPhone, there are some very few easy steps to follow. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open settings, and after opening settings you need to make sure that you are connected to a strong network. And after that, just scroll down and click on general. Scroll down in general and click on VPN and device management. If you have turned on any VPN, just turn that off, and after that go back and search for this screen time. After coming to screen time, scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Click on this, and here you need to make sure that this toggle button is off. If it is on like this, you need to click on it and turn it off. Once it's off, come back to your app store. After coming to your app store, go to the search bar and search for Minecraft. This Minecraft. And after that, after searching for Minecraft, this is the Minecraft. Click on it, and you have to buy it for this currency, like it's for rupees 1900 in my country. According to your country, the price will be updated. So for that, you first need to add a payment method on your app store. And once you've added a payment method, just click on it, and you need to verify it using Touch ID or any other verification that you have set up on your phone. And once it's verified, this amount will be deducted from your payment method, whichever card or payment method you have fixed into your app store. So there's no way to buy Minecraft or download Minecraft on iPhone for free. You one way or another, you always have to pay for that. So that is how you can download Minecraft on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.